Hello, a very warm welcome to all of you. In this video, we will discuss further about the fraction chapter for class 7th. In the previous video, we have discussed about the fractions, types of fractions, addition and subtraction of fraction. Today, we will discuss about the multiplication and division of the fractions. So, let us recap the things. First we have seen about the fraction. ओके पहला हमारा सवाल था कि फ्रैक्शन क्या है. ठीक है, तो फ्रैक्शन इज अ नंबर विच इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ a by b. फ्रैक्शन इज अ नंबर विच इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ a by b, where a is known as numerator and b is known as denominator. So we can say that कि फ्रैक्शन जो होते हैं एक्चुअली एक रैशनल नंबर होते हैं, लेकिन रैशनल नंबर में b कभी 0 के बराबर नहीं होंगे, है ना. और हेयर ऑल्सो b विल नेवर बी इक्वल टू 0. सो a and b आर दी नेचुरल नंबर्स. हेयर a and b आर दी नेचुरल number. So today we will discuss about the multiplications and division of fraction. Here on multiplying two numbers, see, let a by b is the first fraction and we have another fraction that is c by d. On multiplying this we can write like this: a by b into c by d. Numerator part will be multiplied with numerator part, that is a into c, and denominator part will multiplied with denominator part, that is b into d. Okay, this is the form of multiplication of fractions. Now we will do some problems. Okay, find the product. Find the products. Very simple questions are here. First one is 5 by 8 is multiplied with 3 by 4. This can be written as 15 by 32. The second one is, that is 3 by 4 into 5 by 2. This can be written as 15 by 8. The third one is, that is 9 by 16 into 8 by 15. This can be written as, see, here you can calculate, okay, you can divide it, 8 1 8, 8 2 16, or you can simply write like this: 9 by 16 into 8 by 15. This can be written as 9 into 8 divided by 16 into 15. So 8 1 8, 8 2 16, 3 3 9, 3 5 15. So here 3 by 10 can be written. So this is your required answer. Like this we can multiply the fractions, and we have few words problem and few concept of uses of, है ना. We have few words problem and we have the uses of. First of all we will see use of symbol का यूज हम लोग देखेंगे. सी, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 2 by 5 ऑफ 40. इसका मतलब होता है कि 40 का 2 by 5th पार्ट क्या होगा, है ना. मतलब कि एक नंबर है 40, मतलब 40, एक नंबर है 40 जिसका 2 by 5th टर्म क्या होगा, है ना. तो 2 by 5th टर्म ऑफ 40 इज 5 8 40, that is 16, है ना. अगर हम बोलेंगे कि राहुल गॉट 2/5 ऑफ ₹40, राहुल गॉट 2/5 ऑफ ₹40, मतलब कि 40 रुपया का 2/5 हिस्सा राहुल को मिलता है. तो बताइए कि राहुल को कितना रुपया मिला. तो 16 रुपया मिला. ठीक है, तो दिस इज द यूज ऑफ. And we have another question, that is simplify 14 divided by 25 into 35 divided by 51 into 34 divided by 49. See, this can be written like this: 14 into 35 into 34 divided by 25 into 51 into 49. So 5 7 ja 35, 5 5 ja 25, 7 2 ja 14, 7 7 ja 49. Okay, now 7 is cancel out, and 17 2 ja 34, 17 3 ja 51. It on the numerator side it is left 2 into 2, on the denominator side it left 5 into 3, so it becomes 4 by 15, 4 by 15. Okay, this is your required answer. Now we will move to the concept of, we will see some words problem. Okay, we will see two words problem. First words problem is here. Here we have words problem on multiplication of fraction. See, a book consists of 216 pages. During last week विकास रीड 3/4 ऑफ द बुक. मतलब कि एक बुक है जिसमें 216 पेजेस है, उस पेजेस का, उस बुक का उसने इतना रीड कर रखा है ड्यूरिंग लास्ट वीक. विकास ने 3/4 ऑफ द बुक, मतलब बुक में जितना भी पेजेस है उसका 3/4 विकास ने पढ़ रखा है ड्यूरिंग लास्ट वीक. हाउ मेनी पेजेस डिड ही रीड? सिंपल क्वेश्चन. सी द सॉल्यूशन. नंबर ऑफ pages in a book is equal to 216. 216 pages. Number of pages in a book contain 216 pages. So during last week Vikas read during last week, that is 3/4 of the book, that is 216. 3/4 into 216, it becomes 4 5s are 20, 4 54, that becomes 12, carry 1, 15 and 116. 162 pages he had read in during the last week. The second question is, a tin contains 80 kg ghee. After consuming 2/3 of it, how much ghee is left in the tin? एक टीन है जिसमें 18 kg घी है ना. So the solution is here. Amount of ghee a tin contains is equal to 18 kg. Okay, ghee consumed is equal to 2/3 of it, 2/3 into 18, that becomes 6 times, that is 12 kg he consumed. How much ghee is left in the tin? Ghee is left in the tin is equal to 18 kg was total amount of ghee and 12 kg was consumed, so it becomes 6 kg, and this is your answer. Now we will move the concept of division, and division is also very easy process. Okay, I am going to rub this all. Before division we will see the concept of reciprocal of fraction. See, here we have a concept of reciprocal of fraction. That is, if we have a fraction that is in form a by b, the reciprocal of this is b by a. Reciprocal of fraction means that fraction when multiplied with the original fraction it gives the value 1. a by b is multiplied with b by a, it gives the value 1. मतलब कि ऐसा वैल्यू को रेसिप्रोकल कहा जाता है कि मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद वो वैल्यू 1 आ जाए, है ना. तो नाउ इफ आई आस्क्ड we have a fraction that is 3/7, what is the reciprocal of 3/7. मतलब कि आपको ये बताना है कि 3/7 का रेसिप्रोकल फ्रैक्शन क्या होगा. तो रेसिप्रोकल फ्रैक्शन वो होगा कि अगर इसमें हम मल्टीप्लाई कर दें रेसिप्रोकल टर्म्स तो इट बिकम्स 1. तो 1 होने के लिए 7/3 से हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, इट बिकम्स 1. दिस इज़ द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ 3/7. दिस इज़ द रेसिप्रोकल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ 3/7. Now I will ask if we have a fraction that is 4/9, what is the reciprocal of 4/9? That is 9/4. Okay. We have another concept that is division of fraction. See, division of fraction means we divide a fraction with another fraction so we multiply with reciprocal. See, if we divide a by b divided by c by d, है ना, तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, a बाई बी फ्रैक्शन तो लिखते हैं और मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं d बाई सी से. सी d बाई सी इज़ द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ, दिस इज़ द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ c बाई d. नाउ टेक एन एग्जाम्पल, इफ वी टेक 3/7 ओके इज डिवाइडेड बाई 4/9, है ना, तो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज 3/7 इंटू 9/4. So it becomes 9 3s are 27 and 7 4s are 28. This is your required answer, है ना. तो किसी भी फ्रैक्शन को अगर दूसरे फ्रैक्शन से डिवाइड करना होगा तो दूसरे फ्रैक्शन का हम लोग रेसिप्रोकल से उस फ्रैक्शन में मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो हमको डिवीजन मिल जाएगा फ्रैक्शन का, ठीक है ना. नाउ आई होप यू लाइक द वीडियोज़. प्लीज़ शेयर द वीडियोज़ टू द फ्रेंड who need it, and thank you. Stay home, stay safe.